Pax et Bon. I'm going to report my advantages and disadvantages of having security on the face-to-face manner and online. Security guard. The A professional team of security guards protects your facility by mitigating several risks, including assaults, theft, and vandalism. They can detect the suspicious act and take necessary action before it can be turned into a big problem. The biggest benefit of having online security is just that your website is secure from virus hackers, viruses, and rules online. Your website needs to face every day one of the most important security features website needs to have text identities as the business owners. Your information is attached on the back end with your website host. The disadvantages of social need security. Firewalls can be difficult to configure correctly. Incorrectly configured firewalls may block users from performing certain actions onto the internet until the firewall is configured correctly. It makes the system slower than before. It needs to keep updating the new software in order to keep security up to date. Remember these advantages and disadvantages to prevent you and other people from danger. Thank you.